The vehicle we're working on is a 2023 Ford Transit Connect, and the lock conversion relay that we're doing that will inhibit the unlock switches from operating unless the key is on or the vehicle's running. The wire that we were looking for is located behind the glove box at the factory BCM fuse box. In order to remove the glove box itself, there are 2 pins that are located underneath, one here and one here. So you'll go underneath, you'll slide these pins out, and then the glove box, you'll unlatch it, and that glove box will come out and give you full access to the body control module. The wire we're looking for, which is the unlock switch wire, is a violet gray. It's located on the 3rd gray connector with a white cap. It's pin number 20. To release this, you push down on this handle and pull this all the way down, and this plug will come out. The pins are numbered in the corners of this cap that's on here. You can remove this cover. There's some clips. Gently remove the cover, count the pins out. You can reinstall that. And when you identify the correct wire and you cut that wire, in order to test that you've got the right wire, you'll come to the door switch. The lock portion will lock the vehicle, but the unlock won't do anything. And once our relay is installed, only when the key is on or the vehicle's running will this unlock switch operate. So the ignition source for our lock conversion relay is this white with an orange stripe. I found this to test for ignition. It's a connector that plugs into the fuse box. It's a heavier gauge. So you want to power the lock conversion relay through a fuse off of this wire itself. I'm going to get it right in line here. And the ground necessary for our lock conversion relay, I just ran a lead over and I grounded it into the metal on the right side. And that will be the ground input for our lock conversion relay. So the red power fuse taps into this white orange. The ground is going to connect to this, and both whites, one each on each cut end here, will go in line for the violet gray wire, again, which is our unlock switch input to the lock conversion relay. If you have any questions, contact us at thunderboltlocks.com.